Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Candy Crush online. First, you'll need to choose your platform. You can easily access Candy Crush Saga through popular social media sites like Facebook or directly on the king.com website. Make sure your device has a strong, stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during your sweet adventure. Once you're set, simply create an account or login to keep all your hard-earned progress safe and sound across different devices. Now, let's dive into the game board basics. Your main goal is to match 3 or more candies of the same color, either horizontally or vertically, to clear them. But the real fun begins when you match 4 or 5 candies. Matching 4 creates a striped candy, and matching 5 in a T or L shape gives you a wrapped candy. Matching 5 in a row creates a powerful color bomb. These special candies are key to clearing large sections and racking up impressive scores. Mastering special candies and their combinations is crucial for success. For instance, combining a striped candy with a wrapped candy creates a large, cross-shaped explosion, clearing 3 rows and 3 columns. Pairing a color bomb with any special candy, like another striped candy, will turn all candies of that striped candy's color into striped candies, then activate them, leading to a massive board clear. Always look for opportunities to set up these powerful combos. Finally, let's talk about achieving level objectives. Every level in Candy Crush Saga has a unique goal. Some levels require you to clear all the jelly, while others ask you to bring down specific ingredients to the bottom of the board. Always keep an eye on your move counter. You typically have between 20 and 50 moves to complete the objective. Strategically focus on clearing blockers and reaching your target score to pass the level and advance in your sweet journey.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.